Everybody just uses you because they don't know any better. I'm the best. I'm the best. Whoa, guys. You're both very beautiful in your own special way. Aww. But today we're baking with avocado, so get out of here. If you're looking for a great butter substitute that adds flavor and depth to your baking, look no further than the avocado. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. Time for Avocado 101. If you don't know how to tell an avocado is ripe, I've got you. If an avocado is bright green, feeling kind of firm, it's underripe. If it's black with a hint of green and it gives slightly when you squeeze it, it's good to go. You know, a lot of times your grocery store will have underripe avocados for sale, but don't even worry about that. Pop them into a brown paper bag with a banana and they're ripe in no time. Next is how to cut an avocado. Cut around the pit. Just slide it around like that, and then there you go. You should be able to slide it into 2 pieces. Sometimes you can just squeeze the avocado and the pit will pop right out. If not, just take a spoon and that should do the trick. So let's make the cake, guys. First, you're gonna preheat your oven 350 degrees. Spray a bundt pan with non-stick cooking spray inside. And then line that with some cocoa powder. I'll tell you why in a minute. So I got a mixing bowl full of some flour. Add baking soda, baking powder. It's easy to get those mixed up. I know. You're gonna add a little bit of salt, and let's mix that up. Take a whisk, and just make sure you get all the dry ingredients together with the flour. So next, you wanna grab your food processor, and you're gonna add 2 avocados. We're gonna take some plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. Spoon that right in there. And you're gonna process it up until you get a nice smooth texture. Such a comforting sound. Once you got the avocado mixture looking smooth, we're gonna pour our mixture into a large bowl. Get all of it out. Next, we're gonna add some brewed coffee. Coffee's great for this because it actually enhances the flavor of the chocolate. Speaking of chocolate, we're gonna add some cocoa powder. Yeah, you wanna smell it. 3 eggs, you wanna add some sugar, and then add some McCormick vanilla extract. That's gonna give it that rich flavor that we're gonna want. You know, if you ever wondered why your grandmama's bacon was so good, it's probably because of that stuff. We're gonna whisk that together. So we're gonna take our dry ingredients that we mixed up earlier, and we're gonna slowly add that to our mix. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. This is like the Rocky of mixing. Oh my hands are so tired. Thanks, Marie.
You got it.
So now that we're all blended, we're gonna pour our mixture into our previously prepared pan over here. Say that 5 times fast. So I sprayed my pan down with cooking spray and sprinkled the inside with cocoa powder so the cake comes right out once it's done cooking. So we're gonna pop this in our preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So it's been about 40-45 minutes. We're gonna take our cake out, give it a look, and we're gonna give it a toothpick test just to make sure it's ready. If it comes out clean, it's good to go. So we're gonna let this cake cool for 10 minutes before we set it on the wire rack. So we're gonna take our wire rack and we're gonna flip our cake out onto it to let it cool completely. In the meantime, what's the best thing to pair with chocolate? More chocolate. I'm talking hot fudge. Ooh. So we got our food processor. We're gonna add some cocoa powder, some milk, and a pitted and peeled avocado, and some sugar. New food processor. I'm just learning how to use it. Blend till smooth. That should be about 30 seconds. All right, we're gonna pour this out into my handy dandy saucepan over here. And then we're gonna bring that to medium heat. Occasionally, just give that a stir every now and then. Bring it to a little bit of a boil. So we're gonna take this off the heat right here. We're gonna add a little vanilla extract and some salt. Mix that up. So here's the moment we all been waiting for. We're gonna plate this up. Here comes our cake. Woo! We're gonna pour this hot fudge right over our cooled cake. Ooh, yeah. Muy delicioso. It's very delicious in Spanish, y'all. Right over that cake. And there you have it. Click the link below and subscribe to get more great recipes and other ways to show off your avocado bravado. Can I get a bite?